Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll discover how to create and record a task in the Datatronic 5. To start, access the Task Control menu by tapping the folder icon in the main menu. Turn on the Task Control by sliding the slider to On, then tap the drop-down arrow on the top left to see the list of existing tasks. To continue an existing task, simply select it and validate. To create a new one, tap the plus icon. Enter a relevant name for the new task and tap OK. The new task will be added to the available tasks list. Select it and tap OK. Next, tap the parameters icon to input relevant information such as field name, farm name, and customer name. We recommend including as much detail as possible for easier future reference. When you're ready to start the task, move the slider to record. From now, the system will record the full-time activity until you switch off the record button. This is what is displayed on the total counter. The effective working data with the implement will not be identified. To do so, you need to select the correct implement profile. Within this profile, ensure that all implement dimensions are correctly recorded and that the counter trigger is also well set. Here, we will record effective working data when the machine will move forward and the rear linkage will be down. This is what is displayed on the work counter. Once everything is set, just click on the work recording button on the top bar of the main page. It will turn green. Once the counter trigger is met, here moving forward and rear linkage down, a red dot will appear to confirm that the system is recording the working counter. In summary, recording the task requires the task controller to be on, task recording to be on, and the work counter trigger to be on. This ensures that the recorded task will contain the complete working information. During work, you can also start or pause the task recording with a simple click on the toolbar task icon. A long press will bring up a shortcut menu displaying task details, effective working time, covered area, and fuel counters. If you want to close the task and push it for transfer, click on the cloud icon with the arrow. The same icon is also available from the Task Controller menu. If you have TaskDock Pro, the task is automatically sent to the server. Otherwise, the task is stored, waiting for you to export it via a USB key. Now you know all the basics of task creation and recording in the Datatronic 5. It's your turn to try.